Me just a go and hold it. One day in my...
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia. Today we're here with a very wonderful lady by the name of Keyba Sparks. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, you will get more from the artist herself.
Them energy no real, me a purify. Go and go ask chlorine, I'm fresh like the water from the ecosystem. Them a cyanide, now be them deadly victim. Watch how me I got have the Michael Jackson settings. Speechless. That's why me and them no mix. We separate like the Pacific and the Atlantic. Different density, chemical makeup. Different level of salinity, the life want shake up. Cause them a wolf in a sheep clothing. Me see it clear, them no want me fi win. Obvious, them no want me fi win. Them energy no real. Them we eat your food for your meal. Them.
Welcome once more to Portmore Talent Show. Keyba, how are you doing?
Hi, I am wonderful. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Now, I normally say the Portmore Talent Show not only shows your talent to Portmore, but to the entire world. How do you feel about that?
Well, that's fantastic because when we do music, we want it to reach a wider audience, and the world is the audience that I'm looking to reach with my music.
Definitely.
Yes.
Well, the world know you as Keyba Sparks, which is your artist name, but what is your government name?
Oh, my legal name, Frances Thomas. My mother gave it to me. Don't ask me where it come from. She said it's my great-grandmother's name, so I embrace it. And then my middle name is Keyba, so that's where the Keyba came. The Keyba came from, which means greatness. And the Sparks is my mom's maiden name, so that's where greatness ignited to create Keyba Sparks.
I can see where they go together. They create this beautiful human being. I like that.
Thank you.
So Keyba, where did you grow up?
Oh, I am a country girl, a Clarendon girl, to be exact. So I grew up two places in Clarendon, Thompsontown and also Chapelton, Clarendon. I actually reside in Chapelton at this moment. So I am from there. I went to school there, and then I came to Kingston to go to university. I went to UTech. So I went to Thompson High School and then left there and went to UTech, did business administration there.
Cool. And is that where you were born as well?
Yes, Clarendon to be exact, but then because of borderline, I was born in Spaldings, and they said that's Manchester. So I was born in Manchester, grew up in Clarendon.
I understand.
Yes.
All right, so Keyba, what made Keyba? What event happened, showed you that you had this talent?
Well, this may sound cliche, but from I was younger, I realized that I had a passion for music. I used to just love to do the little concert in school. Even in primary school, my teachers knew me for that. Any little thing, I'm there. And then when I was in high school, I decided to do one of my songs. I always be writing songs that when I was about 12. And then my sister said, you always are right. I'm going to let you go and record. So my sister sponsored that, and I recorded my first single then. We didn't do any form of promotion or anything. She just gave me the opportunity to feel it out and see if it's something I liked. After that, I just found that it's something that pulled me. So even though I was academically inclined and did well academically and focused on school, the drive and the push and the love for music gave me that zeal to come back right here where I'm sitting right now, focused on music and trying to reach somewhere with that.
Nice. So would you say that that is also something that is inherited in your family or body?
Well, moment no, I don't know. I wouldn't say, but my mother always sing them all time song. They one me a boom, two you a boom boom, three. Because when I was little, I went to RGR and it was Telma Porter at the time, and she said, "Anybody want to go on the radio?" And I was brave. I said, "Me want to. I'm gonna sing, man." So mommy always singing. She sing them song about red socks and something, some song. She always make up something. Wake up this morning, drink some tea, rasta. She always, because my mom is a ras, so she always singing, but she artist. She never strive to be an artist, but my daddy love to play sound and stuff. He have one sound system. I build it from scratch on the veranda. Right there, so.
So being around music, hearing your mom sing, having your dad there doing his own thing, it inspired you to actually do your own thing as well.
Yes, it did. And I tell you what, some of the time you are inspired indirectly, and for what they did, I think inspired me indirectly, because having listened to persons doing it, the legends doing it, and they making music that appeal to your soul, and you felt that whenever you heard it, whatever space you were in, if you were were in a sad space and you heard a happy song, it took you from that
True.
place and brought you to a next place. And I think that's inspired me. And for that, I wanted to do music that could inspire persons, reach your soul, grab you someplace in where you at, and then pull you from that. And if you're in that space, then it allows you to just embody that emotion and feel it and then can put it forward to others. So that's what I want to do with my music. And I think that's what gave me the drive to do so.
True. Okay, so Keyba, you would say that you are musically inclined, but let's say in terms of the type of songs that you do, why dancehall? Do you do any other songs or type like reggae, souls?
Yeah, absolutely. The song Wallet is definitely a reggae song. That song is getting a lot of rotation. Big up Sun City, big up big up Zip, big up everybody. Digital Kim, everybody that is giving love to that song. I appreciate you. So that's a reggae song. And then also I have several other reggae songs, worked with overseas producer to do a song called Grateful that was recently released, and that's on my Spotify, all my digital platform, called Grateful. That's a reggae song as well. But then I do dancehall, so I do a mixture of both. But I definitely look into to widen my scope, and as such, I'm now working with Ordain Music, and we're working on several beats, especially even Caribbean Girl that I premiered that we're going to be releasing on the 29th of April. That's a fusion song, a fusion beat. It's more of a tropical kind of vibe. So it's
Yeah.
not a reggae beat solely. So we're definitely looking to diversify and go into areas like that. Have several other beats that are working on now that is going to widen the scope and give credence to what I have. And what I want to do is music that reach people wherever
Yeah.
they are. And that is what I want.
And you have a deep, soulful, touching voice.
Yes,
And I
yes.
really love it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So, in terms of performance, you said that you perform even when you were going to school.
Yes,
Would
correct.
you say primary as well as high school or high school only?
Correct, both primary and high school. From because even though I'm doing music, and my friends be like, find me on Facebook. You know what's a long time you love music, a long time you sing on go on, you know. So they're happy to see me doing from primary and high school. As I said before, in high school I was a head girl for my school as well. So I was mostly focused on academics. But whenever there is a little occasion to do a little thing here
Yeah,
and there,
multi-talent,
see me right
yeah.
there. So
Yeah.
I mean that.
I like that.
Yeah.
A lady that is multi-talented. So you have your education, but yet at the end of the day, music is your thing. So why
Yes,
not?
yes,
You can
yes.
do more than one thing.
Thank you.
So when you performed, what was it like and how were you received?
Well, I was learning, so it rough around the edges. Still
Yeah.
learning as well, but I've gotten better with the craft and looking to get better. Then it was well received, if I should say so myself. Yeah, man, my principal, I have a picture, actually. And my principal was in the background and he was love. I could see his react. It's like I could read his reaction through the photo. I don't know how I could do it, but I could because he was grinning off his teeth.
He was happy.
Yes. So it was well received from them. So from then till now, man, Keyba sparks a light of fire. I was still a light of fire.
Right, that's all.
Yes, man.
So in terms of criticism, you know that you have good and you have bad comments.
Absolutely.
So how do you deal with negative criticism?
Well, I think criticism should be taken just as when I was in banking. As a courtesy officer, they told us to take complaints as gifts. Because when a person complain or when they speak to you of something that they don't like, it's a case where they want you to improve. So knowing that when I get criticized for something, I try to work on it because I know that it's because the person wants to see better from me and they know I can do better in that particular area. So I take it as gift. Yeah, criticize me. Constructive criticism is received right here.
Wow, this is like the second time I really heard somebody said
Yes,
regarding
ma'am.
criticism that it's actually a gift or something of importance
It
to
is.
help them grow.
It is.
That's really an awesome mindset.
Thank you.
So in terms of booking agent, manager, are you currently signed with anyone?
All right, I'm not currently signed. I would say I'm managed, but more in an informal sense. But I'm not signed with an company, not as yet. We're looking to widen our scope. We're feeling out offers as well because persons have reached out and want to be a part of the movement. And the movement is real. you know, it or like Asian Brain would say, the movement is real, up like 11 stars. So we're really moving forward to just get things done. But with the network of persons that I have now in my immediate circle, they say you don't need more than 3 to get things up and running. So we're working as a team right now to move forward with stuff.
Sure. Sure, and you'll get there eventually because you
Thank
have
you.
the talent, you have the vibes, you have the mindset, and like I said, you know
Appreciate.
what you're doing.
Yeah.
So apart from singing and doing your thing, making your music, I heard you said earlier that you were also in the financial industry where
Yes.
you were a courtesy officer.
Correct.
So do you do anything else apart from
Yes,
this?
man. We have, as I would say to you offline, we have to diversify our income stream. Life is getting more expensive.
True.
Cost of living is going all the way up.
Hi.
Yeah, right now gas price all the way up there. So
Triple.
yeah. So if you never know for walk, you have to go learn for walk. A joke.
on.
So because of that, I have to do several things because music in itself doesn't give you an income immediately, and it's actually a working project where the income for music is concerned. Because right now we're just doing a lot of promotion.
True.
So being that I am doing business, I sell year growth products, I do wally for so and I work differently as well. So several different things to earn income.
Miss Entrepreneur, I like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, girl.
All right, so while in the music industry, tell me a few things that you have learned.
Well, for me, what I've learned is that person's integrity is sometimes very hard to come by because a lot of persons they say one thing and they do the
Do another.
opposite, and they promise one thing, however don't deliver on promises. And as such, I take every conversation that I have with persons with a grain of salt. Honestly, not that I'm a pessimist, but I take it because I prepare myself to be disappointed, but I'm hopeful for the best, right? So be in the music space right now. I've met a lot of persons. A lot of persons come with they have great ideas and they come and they sound like they have the fire, but when it comes to getting the work done, because a lot of persons have talk but they don't have action. So when it comes to
True.
getting the work done and doing what needs to be done, a lot of persons slack off on that. So I've learned to monitor myself. I've learned to expect a lot from myself. And I've learned that if I want something done, I myself may have to just go out there and get it
To do
done.
it or oversee it.
Yes,
get it
yes,
done.
absolutely.
All right. So Sparks, how far would you want to carry your music career?
Wow, wonderful question. Well, I tell you what, for me, as I said before, I want the world to hear my music. And in order for the world to hear my music, I need to do it on a scale that is a large scale, right? So we're looking to reach persons in the global space, and we're trying to understand the industry, because then it's not only doing music and getting popularity, but how can you reach persons in certain areas? You'll have to appeal to them, say through the billboard. You have to do music that appeal to a wider scope of persons.
True.
So that's why I'm filtering my music now. May I go create something for everybody. Everybody have a little taste of the Sparks, because sometimes them say me sound like Lady G, sometimes them say me
Yeah,
sound
you have a
like Lady
mixture.
Sa, sometimes them some, because when I sing I sound different from when I actually DJ. So I have that sound, the ability to melt both
Tanya
of those.
Stevens,
Yes,
yeah.
yeah. To melt both of those and create a sound that has a worldly appeal.
You will get there eventually.
Yeah, thank you.
But are you promoting any songs or videos at the
Yes, actually, we recently did a video for my song called Charlatans. Me never get to perform it just now.
Charlatans.
Charlatans, and a lot of persons ask the name for that. It actually means like people who are phonies. Them act like them not real. So the song name, basically them energy not real. So we say, why them stay so? Them a pray wrong. You know some of them people. Me see it clear. Hey, say no for them a demon. Them a demons. Yeah, them energy no real. Them we eat your food for your meal. Them energy no real. So some of them energy no real. So right now that video is out now on my Vivo. Yeah, man, Keyba Sparks in all our glory. Can definitely check that out. And we have some new projects coming out as the Caribbean Girl. That is new. That is fresh. We're excited about that because we think that one has the ability to reach far. So we're excited about that. Wallet is getting a lot of love right now, so we're constantly still promoting Wallet. Is a holistic song, can appeal to everybody. During this time, we all need to Wallet, so definitely that song. And other songs as well. My catalog is growing. So when you check me out on all platforms, you will see the variety of music that I do, though. Yeah.
Cool. Look forward to it, darling.
Yes.
Definitely. So we have come to the end of the interview segments with Keyba Sparks. This lady has multiple talents and she's very, very good at what she does. So
Thank you.
therefore, we will be going for a quick break. And when we get back, you will definitely see Keyba performing Caribbean Girls, Charlatans, and more. Stay tuned.
From his to the face, you know, it's the one and only Keyba Sparks. And right now I'm at Portmore Talent Show, the place where everybody need to come. I want to make sure and check them out. They're a growing platform and they're going to do massive things. So make sure for your ear, Keyba Sparks are endorsed it. You know, see, not normal. And right now you can check me out on all digital platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, the Spotify followers. I'm a grow up radio. The other day I looked, I saw like I had 7,000 odd monthly followers. So right now we're growing and the love is coming in from all over the world, Germany, Italy, hey, be a something. So make sure you check me out on all digital platforms, all my socials on Facebook. I'm at Keyba Sparks Music. That's KeybaSparkes, music with a Z. And on Instagram, you can check me out at Keyba Sparks 6262. And on all the other platforms, it's just Keyba Sparks. When you check it, you'll find me. The girl with the fire, the girl with the sparks.
The struggle is real and the pain where we are feel. But tell them no Jamaica. One day, things are gonna change. One day, we are gonna fly in a plane, yeah. First class. My name is Keyba Sparks. So me just have one wallet. Me a take a rough lifestyle. Poor me just a wallet. One day it must pay off. Tell me just a one wallet. We make some money. Me just a one wallet. We support our feeling family. Cause them say devil find work behind the land. When you want one things and can't finance. So me get the work down at the factory. The money done before me can buy the grocery. And when me pay the rent, the light and the water, no more no left for my daughter. Which I know, me mother have arthritis and cancer. Medication needs sponsor. Me just have one wallet. I hold it out there. Me a take care of lifestyle. Me just have one wallet. One day it must pay off. Say me just have one wallet. We make some money. Because me did that one a reason with that sister. She stress, can't bother with the system. It's like she a get a fight, stuck in the dark and she can't see no light. Cause she did try to get the visa, feel left young and going out of prison. But she get turned down the same day her house get burned down. But she just have a wallet, for you know your wallet. We a take a rough lifestyle. Tell me parents a wallet. One day it must pay off. No, we just align because me tired of this lockery. One in for the female artist, them in the industry. Music is a mission if it clean enough for rusted. The world of dance and music, fix it up, no make it fluxy. Kids a watch your profile like a criminal pre-taxi. Pick up Lady G, Papas and a woman Nancy. Them never let go loose, then keep it real like an autopsy. All of we are queens, so make we brandish up with Moxie. No matter what them do, me say, matter what them say. We love dance and we rev it anyway. No matter what them do, me say, matter what them say. We love dance and we say rev it anyway. And me say fix it up now, dance all nice now. Fix it up now, pan round now back now. Fix it up now, sound man a beat yo, hey. Dance it, dance all, ever nice. People in the middle just a jump and rejoice. Granny round about no one left out her house. She no want nobody a come out, but the sound just a beat, just a budum. Me just a people come out. Them a budum. Mommy say budum. Me say big up with Nancy. Budum. Lady G in the building.
Papa sat in the building. Putum, 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 putum. I'm excited, excited. This boy get me excited. You get me excited. And that's why I just the loving when me got a feel. You make me flow like a rayon, you know. I tell you straight up that I need you. Come give it to me all night, all night. Come give me on a shore flight, shore flight. Yeah, yeah. Hey. So when you call me phone, I say you want see me. I said this something where you like, so you want give me. Chapter engine ready and I up. Same time I smile, come and know what's up. Hey, so me say bring it, come give me. Not take long, boy, you know say you feel me. Try fast, boy, you know me need. 2 p.m. me say boy set speed, and they love it when we got a fear. You make me flow like a rayon, you know. We are the finest, we are the nicest, we are queens. Ooh yeah. Caribbean girls are the best. I values nice shape, not less. Beauty and brains were truly essence remarkable. What you see is what you get when we wine, when we wine, when we wine on so. Waistline I move like a tornado, like the sunshine. Yeah, me nice what you glow. Oh, come party with a real Caribbean girl. Well, I vibes with a real Caribbean girl. Link up with a real Caribbean girls. Rock, we are gonna rock, we are gonna rock your world. Come and do say you see all my whiny, whiny. Waistline free up on no rope, no timing. Caribbean girl and I'm one of a kind. I'm a sexy physique like my body design. Real Caribbean girl. Real Caribbean girl. Rock me, I go rock your world. Intoxicated in love, not keeping you waiting. We're gentle and harmless, ambience light up your darkness. You don't need no booze, we'll take you high like the mountain. Our vibes is captivating, energy flow like the fountain. Real Caribbean, come vibes with a real Caribbean girl. Link up with a real Caribbean girls. Rock, we are gonna rock, we are gonna rock your world. Come and know, say you see, oh, we whiny, whiny. Waistline free upon her. Caribbean girl, and we are one of a kind. Can't wait for land. Top man, me love no lazy man. Open up my fruity ideas, yet on. One man to my liquor rose petal. Me a bossy girl, can't wait for land. Top man, me love no lazy man. Open up my fruity ideas, yet on. One man to my liquor rose petal. Me a bossy girl, can't wait for land in your jacuzzi. Are you fit there, Sophia abuse it? Give you the grippy, no me no lose it. Perfect sitting for you approve it. I'm sure than the show, me ready for your waves. What's your plans? Ready for your dream weekend on the sands. Straight from the airport plane where me land. Ready for come pull up on the moon. Say the love that I give you is gonna put you in a mood. And then I take you to the moon. Can't wait for land. Top man, me love no lazy man. Open up my fruity ideas, your turn. One man to me like a rose petal. Me a bossy girl, can't wait for land. Top man, me love no lazy man. Open up my fruity ideas, your turn. One man to me like a rose petal. Me a bossy girl. Extraterrestrial love. Galaxy pray anytime we are touch. Pretty little devil with the angel buff. With the powers to mess with your subconscious. Just like the sun and the moon eclipse. Perfectly aligned with you for the whole night. So now come with the foolishness. Hey boy, just stick to the movie script. And let me take you to the moon. Say the love that I give you is gonna put you in a mood. Hey, and then I take you to the moon. Can't wait for land. Top man, me love no lazy man. Open up my fruity ideas, your turn. One man to me like a rose petal. Me a bossy girl. Wait for land. Top man, me love no lazy man. Open up my fruity ideas, your turn. One man to me like a rose petal. Me a bossy girl.